Hi traders, thanks for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor, and we're going to take a look at a recent trade that we took here on Priceline. And the reason I'm doing this video for you guys is so that you can learn from how we did this, exactly why we got in the trade, so that you can learn how to use these methods and this system in your own trading. If you're not already a member at thetradinganalyst.com, visit us on the home page of the website and get to know us a little bit better. If you like this video and you want to start making winning trades like this one on Priceline, then it's a great opportunity to sign up and join with the premium membership, because as soon as you sign up, you're going to get instant access to the profitable trade alerts that our current members are getting on a daily and weekly basis. It's a great opportunity. And the best part is, right now you actually have an opportunity to save $100 on the annual membership. That's right, $100 off on the annual membership when you apply the discount code New Year. This is for this week only. It's expiring in the middle of this week because it's only for January. Okay, we wanted to give you guys an opportunity to start the new year off right. The stock market's booming. We're doing great at the Trading Analyst. And it's a great opportunity for you if you want to get into some winning trades and have some help doing so. You can get in on that annual membership. Again, you can save $100 if you join today by using the discount code New Year. Again, this is for this week only. It's going to expire, and then you won't be able to get in at this discounted price. You'll have to pay the full price. So go ahead and sign up and start making winning trades. Alright, so here is the Priceline chart, and this is the hourly chart, okay, from a few weeks ago, and I want to kind of explain exactly what went on here, why we took this trade, and so on and such forth. So first and foremost, you can see we kind of have a little bit of a falling wedge pattern right here. If you look and you draw that right here, you can see that falling wedge down channel right there. So we were trading down right here, and as you can see, we gapped over it right here, bounced off of it right here, and then we had this resistance right here. You can clearly see this is where we got rejected there, the high of that candle, this candle, and notice too, this is the volume by price. All right, this long green and red bar right here on the side of your screen. All these bars over here, they're protruding out of the screen. This is volume by price. Okay, so it's another way of using support and resistance. So this is where the most volume has been traded on the hourly chart, because this is the longest red bar. Okay, so we came into that resistance right here. And notice how we had a gap up here, so that's one gap up, and then here's another gap up right here, all right? And then notice how we're holding, we gapped up, and then we didn't really retrace lower, we just kind of traded sideways. So what that sideways trading action told us is that it's building up energy for a big move, all right? So that's what we were watching. We put it on the watch list that we were watching this for a trade. The other thing too is that if you notice the Bollinger Band, this gray bar band right here, this gray band right here, you can see it's getting really, really tight. All right, really, really tight. That means a big move is coming up. The other thing too is we were holding over these moving averages. This is the 50 period simple moving average, the red line, and then the blue one is the 20 period simple moving average. So our signal to entry was this candle right here, This is the last hourly candle of December 13th, all right? December 13th. So that's where we entered our call position, and I'll show you that right here on the private Twitter feed. Again, these alerts are not only given on the private Twitter feed, these are also sent to every single member via text message, because we know that not everyone can sit on the private Twitter feed all day. So don't need to worry about that. These alerts are sent via text message as well, so you can trade from anywhere at any time. Alright, so here was the alert here. Trade alert, price line, January 19th is the expiration, 1800 is the strike, 1800 calls at $12. Alright, so we alerted those here. You can see right at 3:30 p.m. on December 13th. Alright, and that is right here. Remember, that's the closing candle of this day right here. So about 27 minutes before the close, we got those. And you can see the next day, boom, moved up really, really nicely for us. You know, not much else to say about that. And we sold a third of our position near the high of the day here on price line. It's just good to always kind of take profits, so that's why we sold a third of it and kept holding the remaining calls. So we sold a third of those calls here on December 14th. You can see that right there at 1890. All right, really, really nice gain there. So yeah, so really nice gain. What is that? About a 50% gain already on a third of that position. All right, so we're holding the rest of the position for higher prices, and boom, we get a nice move up here, right over here, and we end up selling another third of that position on the 15th, which is the very next day, at 2280. So 2280. So that's about what, a 90% gain on that third of those positions. So really, really nice gain there. We ended up selling right here near the high of the day on that day right there. And we were holding the remaining calls for higher prices, or we put on the watch list here that we were going to stop out at break even. So the trailing stop was break even, because we don't want to lose. We don't want any of the position to turn into a losing position. So if it went higher, we were going to sell higher, and if it went lower down to our trailing stop at break even, we were going to stop out. So we ended up stopping out right here for break even pretty much. Remember, we got in at $12, and you can see that stop out was at 11.87, so just a few cents below break even on that last third. So it was a really nice trade. I think the average gain on it was about 50%, 60%, something like that. So it ended up being a really, really nice gainer for us, and we just use our simple method that we use time and time again. So this is not an anomaly. This is not just one out of a million that we're getting here. We're doing this day in and day out. We're using methods like this, using Bollinger Band squeezes, using breaks of resistance, watching two gap ups. This is something we look at every single day, and this is something that you can take part in when you sign up and join the premium membership community. So if you want to start making winning trades in the market, you can do so by using the discount code New Year and save $100 on the annual membership. This is a great opportunity to do that. If you're sick and tired of losing money in the market and you want to have a system and a service that works, that makes money in the market, then this is your opportunity to do that. Use the discount code New Year, and you're going to save $100 on the annual membership, and it's for this week only. And as soon as you sign up, you're going to get instant access to profitable trade alerts, just like the one we showed you on Priceline. So you're getting these alerts via the private Twitter feed, via text message, and we also have the watch list that's put out nightly, as well as the nightly member videos as well. So I'm explaining every single detail of every trade and every watch list that we're looking at within the member video, within the watch list, and that accompanies the profitable trade alerts, again, that you're going to get instant access to when you sign up now using the discount code New Year to save $100. It's a great opportunity to start making winning trades in the market.